Hello, hello, hello. So, today it's very sunny outside, so I'm gonna do this really quickly and then get some sunshine. Let's see. Oh yes. Haha! I'm getting proficient at this. So, open it up. Oh, cracked at the bottom. No biggie. Ooh. Another Star Wars. Let's see. Oh crap. Another clone trooper. My first duplication, and it's a clone trooper. Oh well, you need a mass of them, right? So yeah, it's a clone trooper. So let's see if he wins versus what? Jango Fett. He shouldn't, but set to 1. Set to 1. And let's see. Put them together. And let's fight. So, Boba Fett, or should I say Jango Fett 1, Clone Trooper 6. Bye bye Jango. And we have a new winner, and it's the Clone Trooper Mark II. I hope you enjoyed the fight. Have fun and have a nice day.